Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Rebecca. Today I want to talk about a must-have tool for every mechanic or DIY out there, the Topec brand nut extractor kit. If you've ever worked on a car, bike, or any machinery, you know how difficult it can be to deal with rusted, stripped, or damaged nuts. But with the nut extractor kit from Topec, you can easily remove any stubborn or damaged nut without damaging the surrounding parts. This kit includes a variety of extractors in different sizes, each with a special design that allows it to grip the nut tightly and remove it with ease. And the best part? The nut extractor kit works on all kinds of nuts, including rounded, hexagonal, and even damaged ones. It's a versatile and powerful set of tools that every mechanic or DIY should have in their toolbox. So if you're tired of dealing with stubborn nuts and damaged threads, get the nut extractor kit from Topec today and make your life easier. Plus, Topec is currently running an Easter promotion, so be sure to click on the link in the description below to check out the details. It's also a great gift idea for anyone who enjoys working on cars, bikes, or any machinery. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more product reviews and DIY tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.